Hey there! We're thrilled to have you here. Our channel is all about home decor and craft. Whether you're looking to learn something new, find inspiration, or just enjoy some great entertainment, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us create even more amazing content. Wardrobes are essential pieces of furniture in any bedroom. They provide storage for clothes, accessories, and other personal belongings. The right wardrobe can significantly enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your bedroom. Here's a detailed look at some popular wardrobe ideas. Types of wardrobes. Freestanding wardrobes. These are standalone units that can be placed anywhere in the room. They come in various sizes and styles, from classic to contemporary. Built-in wardrobes. These are custom-made wardrobes that fit into a specific space, often along a wall. They offer maximum storage efficiency and can be designed to match your bedroom's decor. Corner wardrobes. These are ideal for small bedrooms as they utilize corner space effectively. They come in various shapes and sizes, including triangular and L-shaped. Sliding door wardrobes. These wardrobes feature sliding doors that save space compared to hinged doors. They are perfect for small bedrooms or rooms with limited space. Wardrobe materials. Wood. Wooden wardrobes are a classic choice that adds warmth and natural beauty to a bedroom. Popular wood options include oak, pine, mahogany, and cherry. Metal. Metal wardrobes, often made of steel or aluminum, are durable and modern. They can be finished in various colors and finishes. Glass. Glass wardrobes offer a sleek and contemporary look. They can be combined with other materials, such as wood or metal, for a unique aesthetic. Laminate. Laminate wardrobes are affordable and come in a wide range of colors and finishes. They are easy to clean and maintain. Wardrobe features. Shelves. Shelves are essential for storing clothes, accessories, and linens. You can choose adjustable shelves to customize the storage space. Hanging rods. Hanging rods are used for hanging clothes. Consider having multiple rods at different heights to accommodate clothes of various lengths. Drawers. Drawers are ideal for storing smaller items, such as underwear, socks, and accessories. Mirror doors. Mirror doors can add a touch of elegance to your bedroom and provide a full-length mirror. Lighting. Built-in lighting can illuminate the interior of your wardrobe, making it easier to find what you need. Wardrobe styles. Traditional wardrobes feature classic designs with ornate details and warm wood finishes. Modern wardrobes are characterized by clean lines, minimalist designs, and neutral colors. Contemporary wardrobes combine modern elements with unique features, such as geometric shapes or bold colors. Rustic wardrobes have a natural and unrefined look, often featuring reclaimed wood or distressed finishes. Here are some trending ideas to inspire your bedroom makeover. 1. Minimalist elegance. Clean lines and neutral tones. Opt for wardrobes with simple, uncluttered designs and muted colors. Hidden storage. Incorporate concealed compartments and drawers to maintain a minimalist exterior while maximizing storage. 2. Natural materials. Sustainable choices. Choose wardrobes made from eco-friendly materials like bamboo, rattan, or reclaimed wood. Warmth and texture. These materials add a touch of nature and warmth to your bedroom. 3. Customized solutions. Tailored to your needs. Consider a custom-made wardrobe that perfectly fits your space and storage requirements. Personalized details. Add unique touches like built-in shoe racks, jewelry compartments, or a vanity area. 4. Smart storage features. Sliding doors. Save space with sliding doors that don't encroach on your bedroom. Built-in lighting. Illuminate your wardrobe interior for easy access to your belongings. Adjustable shelves. Customize the storage space to accommodate different items. 5. Statement pieces. Bold colors and patterns. If you prefer a more dramatic look, choose a wardrobe with vibrant colors or eye-catching patterns. Unique designs. Consider wardrobes with unusual shapes or intricate detailing.